The most dangerous part of your workday is the meeting you attend about the work. You look at your calendar and see endless calls, but zero finished tasks. That is because meetings often don't finish work. They just create more homework. You sit on a Zoom call, then spend hours typing summaries and drafting emails, effectively doing the job twice. It is time to fix this. Today we're looking at an AI assistant called Radiant and how to use it for productivity. So you don't leave a meeting with a to-do list, but with the work already done. Now, the link to Radiant is in the description. It's my affiliate link, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So if you find this video helpful and decide to give Radiant a try, I would appreciate if you use my link. Now, let's get started. The invisible setup. The biggest problem with most AI tools is the awkward guest issue. Usually, to get an AI to take notes, users have to invite a robot to the meeting. A blank square pops up on the Zoom screen with a name like Note Taker, and everyone freezes. It changes the vibe because people know they're being recorded by a machine. Radiant works differently because it is a native Mac app, not a cloud bot. It lives on the desktop and runs quietly in the background. That means it works just like human ears. If you can hear the audio coming out of the speakers, the AI can hear it too. There's no need to send an invite link or grant it permission to join the room. It just works on Zoom, Google Meet, or even a quick, unplanned Slack huddle. This makes the technology invisible. You don't have to prompt it or program it. You can just have a normal conversation and the assistant is there capturing everything privately and securely on the device. Stop taking notes. Stop taking notes completely. We all have a bad habit of trying to write down every single word someone says. But when you're busy typing, you're not actually listening to the other person. With Radiant running, that worry disappears. It captures the entire conversation automatically. The best part is that it doesn't just give you back a boring transcript. Nobody has time to read a wall of text. Instead, the app acts like a smart assistant. It listens for the important moments and organizes them into meeting highlights and clean summaries. Put the pen down and focus 100% on the person talking. Nothing will get lost. The drafting engine. This is where the real productivity happens. Most tools stop at taking notes, but Radiant is designed to be a doer, not just a recorder. It actively listens for the word promised during the call. For example, if you say, "I will email the team about the new timeline," the AI doesn't just write that sentence down. It actually drafts the email. It knows who was in the meeting and what was discussed, so it writes the subject line and the message automatically. It works for technical projects too. If the team talks about a software bug during a stand-up, Radiant detects and drafts a ticket for engineering tools like Linear. It even drafts updates for Slack or Pages for Notion. You don't have to type it from scratch. You just look at the draft, click one button, and the work is moved directly to the right tool. This turns a 20-minute admin task into a 10-second review. The second brain archive. There is one more huge productivity trap we need to fix: memory. 2 weeks after a meeting, it is easy to forget exactly why a specific decision was made. Instead of digging through messy notebooks or old files, Radiant treats past meetings like a searchable database. It has a feature where you can literally chat with the meeting. If you need to know a specific detail, there's no need to read the whole transcripts. Simply type a question to the AI like, "What was the feedback on the design?" or "Who is handling the budget?" The app looks through its memory of the conversation and gives the exact answer instantly. It feels like having a partner with a perfect memory who is always ready to remind you of what you missed. Privacy and the local advantage. When using an AI to listen to sensitive work calls, privacy is a major concern. Many tools upload audio to the cloud to be processed, which can feel risky for business strategy or private client data. Radiant is different because it runs locally on the device. It requires a Mac with an M1 chip, or newer because the brain of the AI is actually working right there on the computer chips, not on a remote server. This means all the meeting data is stored on your machine, and you choose when and what to share. This local processing also makes the app work incredibly fast, at the speed of light, because it doesn't have to wait for an internet connection to think or process the information. So, who is Radiant for? Radiant is designed specifically for knowledge workers, people like product managers, agency owners, marketers, and freelancers. It currently holds a 4.8 out of 5 rating on G2 and is built by the team behind Supernormal. So it is already backed by the tech used in 700,000 organizations. The goal here is simple. Stop treating meetings as a place to make to-do lists and start treating them as a place to finish work. You can download Radian for free right now while it is in beta, as long as you have a Mac with an M1 chip or newer and your meetings are in English. If you found this video helpful and are planning to try Radiant, remember to use my link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.